Alright guys, welcome back to JDM Car and Motorcycle. I hope you're all feeling good. Congratulations on making it past the winter solstice. The days are getting longer. There's more daylight. There's more sunshine in general. So hopefully everybody's feeling pretty good, pretty happy about it, and preparing their rides, their projects, their cars for the season. And today we have a 1993 Subaru Sambar. This guy is a rear wheel drive. Okay. I figured with what I've been experiencing recently, what I've been hearing recently from people, I'll try to throw in more information out there. So this is a K-truck. Many of you know this, some of you don't. K-truck is characterized by the size, the small chassis. It's a very small car and a 0.7 liter engine. 0.7 is what we often call it to simplify, but in general K-trucks are usually, there's a range. There's 550 cubic centimeters, 660 cubic centimeters, but everything's going to be below that 0.7 mark for the most part. So this guy, the bed is kind of a little used up, you know, did some work. No harm in doing work, but the undercarriage is in great condition. Hopefully you can see how clean that is. So don't be intimidated by the looks of the bed. Alright, so it's the EN07 engine, as we all, or most of us, remember and love. Let's see how she starts up. This is our interior. Very decent shape. Original Sambar floor mats, looking good. Stick. The mileage is super low on this guy. So this odometer, you're looking at kilometers. It's like just a little shy of 12,000 miles. This is original odometer. We have the paperwork for this. Let's continue exploring this interior while I find the right key. Oh, the door card's in nice condition. Sweet. That light over there just says that I have the handbrake on. Off, on. Heater works. Aftermarket radio unit out, because you would need a new one in America anyway. What do we have here? Okay. Ooh, oh, okay. So not only it has freaking 12,000 miles on it, it also has the full service history book. It's all in Japanese, but it's all there. Oh, very nice. Sweet. The original manual. Right. Yes, Sambar. Oh, sweet. All right. Love it. The engine is cold, so it's not gonna blow hot right away. This door card also in very decent shape for the driver's side. That's me doing that. All right. Beautiful. Oh my God, 12,000 miles. This is like new. Crazy. So guys, remember that our dealership provides inspection and maintenance on every car. You're welcome to do third-party inspections. So if there's any minor mechanical issues that these cars can come with, or any maintenance that needs to be done with such low mileages, it's rarely the case, but we will take care of that for you. The rubbers are still there. The battery cover still there. Sweet. What's not to love? All right, thank you guys once again for watching JDM Car and Motorcycling. We'll see you again soon.